Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to promote your Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So the first way to promote your Shopify store is optimize your website for search engines. If you are wondering how to promote your Shopify store, start by optimizing your store for search engines. When users want to find a relevant product, they search for it on search engines like Google. If you optimize your Shopify website to appear in these relevant searches, you can drive more qualified leads. So you can optimize for relevant keywords. You can optimize your title, tag, and meta description. Also, you can ensure your site loads quickly. So the second way to promote your Shopify store is use pay-per-click or PPC ads to reach more qualified leads. If you want to promote your Shopify store effectively, use pay-per-click or PPC advertising. PPC ads are paid advertisements that appear at the top of the search results above the organic listings. PPC ads help you earn more profit for your business. The third way is use social media ads to showcase your store. When you ask, how do I promote my Shopify store? Many people will suggest using social media advertising to help you reach people interested in your business. Social media ads are an excellent way for you to target people interested in your business. These ad platforms offer advanced targeting, making it easier for you to reach people most interested in your Shopify store. For social media advertising, you can use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn to create successful social media ads. The fourth way to promote your Shopify store is use email marketing to engage people close to conversion. If you want to know how to market your Shopify store, email marketing is another great option. Email marketing enables you to send tailored content to people you know are interested in your business. To start promoting your Shopify store through email, you need to have a list of subscribers. You can get subscribers by adding an email sign-up bar to the header or footer of your website. You could also use email sign-up pop-up to catch your audience attention. So these are the key ways to promote your Shopify store. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.